So a World War I M03, a original 9-pocket cartridge belt with Marine Corps snaps. The Marine Corps style early first aid pouch. A canteen cover, also with Marine Corps snaps and USMC marking on it. Early shoulder straps, suspender straps. The early first pattern bayonet with the old style
swivel.
Hook. And as you can see the belt, that's where it was connected. You can see the belt actually, this belt was worn with that type of hookup.
Got it.
And this is actually an original. Rock Island
Army, yeah.
So, and then over here, this is actually the early pattern canteen cup. As you can see, it's got a bevel to it. And the way you can tell is it rocks.
It's not flat.
Most of them are flat, so that's how you can see it. You can see it better here. You see a little bit of a lip.
Yep.
These are extremely rare. Also a very rare canteen. Seamless.
Yep.
And what they did originally, they blew them like glass. And they realized if they did it in 2 pieces, they could do them quicker and better with the welds. And then this is just, again, the second pattern, third pattern with the lifted dot snaps and just a later pattern. First aid kit, again, Marine Corps style, and then the change with the hanger, Marine Corps style bayonet.
Just to simplify it.
Just simplify it, make it easier and better. Also, too, you can hook it onto and adjust it in different places, hang it off the back of the pack. So it's just and not as wacky as this crazy hook and contraption at the end.
All right.
Thanks. Yeah, this was fun with this belt.